So, hello guys. I'm Nele. I'm doing electronics. I'm no way professional or or even good. And yes, you are watching. I know 480p video in 2025. Why? Because I like to torture people. And this is a video about this thing. Borrow it working, it was okay, it is cheap thing, Chinese thing, and now it does not receive the charge. If I plug it in, I get a light, yeah, but it does not draw any power on it. It gives something, I don't know what is happening. I want to open it, test it, see it, what is wrong with the battery, which type of the battery. So let's try to do that. And of course we have also Ferm screwdriver. Because why the fuck not? I also buy a bunch of things from the AliExpress. I can test a lot of stuff which I already did use. For example, I got today this damn thing. It is six port charger. It supports quick charging. It is okay-ish. Oh, I need to test it more, yeah? So let's continue. There is actually 8 screws. We have a screws, yes. Amazing, I know. In 2025 we have a screws. Let's see if I'm gonna break it or maybe fix it. I'm trying to be optimistic here, yeah? Go out. I say go out. Oh fuck. Yeah, you can say after like, I don't know, 10 seconds. What is the rule on the YouTube? So what we have here? We have 2 cells, yes, probably in parallel. Voltage probably 3.7 to 4.2, maybe series. Let's see. Voltage into DC, like Steve from Stes Fix says. Voltage into DC. Let's turn it on light so you can go. You guys cannot see anything. Yay! Professional YouTube here. No, let's try to turn off the light. Yeah, we got something. Okay, let's see what could be positive, what could be negative. I actually don't see the pulse. Means okay, plus is this side, and it says, what the fuck, millivolts. Ooh, one moment please. Music, like waiting music. So it should say like 4.1. That means or charging does not function, or the batteries are completely dead. I mean, how the fuck they can go so low? Let's see if when I connect the charger, if there is any voltage coming into batteries. Yeah. Man, I hate. I will have to make the pack. So it is. There is absolutely nothing. Like 5 millivolts. Oh yeah. How this damn thing goes out? Let's see. Disconnect the power, and this thing goes here, I presume. So we have some kind of wire at front. That's LED. LED can be disconnected. Yes, I know you guys see that perfectly, because we need to also change the light. Yeah, amazing YouTuber. Did I say I am not professional YouTuber? Yeah, now you can see even better. I am amazing. Let's try this light. Oh yeah. So, this seems okay. If we remove this light, sucks. I know. So let's remove the distant thing, or should we? Battery soldered and spot welded. Minus plus, plus minus. What the heck? That means it is 8-volt system. Is it? Are you coming to the street? Yeah. And this side we have a. What is this? Okay. So it means that I did measure the voltage incorrectly. Like I said, you have a professional electronic fixing guy who does not speak very good English also. So let's try again. Yeah. Minus this side plus this side. Like, can you see that damn thing? Basically this plus this minus. Okay, let's try again. So we have, yes, we have a live batteries at 8.0, which means this thing should start and something else is broken. Now what could be? Yeah, because I don't have any setup for video recording, I cannot show it on a microscope. Boom. There's something burned here, or it is just glue or what? Can you no, left, up, down, down is correct. Autofocus does not exist on 480p. Turn on. Start recording. Okay, like in boxing, people will say round two. Round two says this. Okay, we have connected 8.2 volts on the batteries. We have a charge. We have a charge, people. We are getting 0.4 into the batteries, and it is going down, down. That means they are finishing the charge. And one more thing, watch this, watch this, watch this. This actually working. So batteries were empty or what? Of course now it does not work. Did I press the wrong button? Yeah! It is working now, but I didn't test it without the power. Yep. It is working on the batteries now. We have 3 LEDs. It's like 70% battery. So, or it is level. Ah, it is level. Slow, faster, faster. Insane. Yay. So, conclusion. Batteries were empty, sitting too long, but we had a 8 volts. Why the fuck didn't start? Did charging directly on the poles woke up the electronics inside? I don't know, because like I said, I'm not professional guy fixing things. I'm gonna put this together because I'm not gonna show you. It is working now, yeah, basically, but I'm not gonna show you. So see ya next time. I hope you're gonna like it. You're gonna watch this crap and enjoy, because you can say you watched 480p video in 2025. Goodbye.